Everyone's getting their phones ready for the dessert that is going to be made in front of us.
European eccentric restaurant.
We just got that as our first sign, and look at our next sign. Yashita, idhar aa.
I forgot! Oh my god! I forgot! So my college friend...
noticed
Bro, there's a college... My god.
We need to start.
Bro!
We need
Bro! I have goosebumps on my whole body! Oh my god! Bro!
We need to start this.
Bro, this is mad. This is mad.
Why is your
So I'll tell you the backstory. I had a college friend who got, by the way, who has 99% in, or probably 100% in birds, and that's how she got in-house in Xavier's.
Wow.
And she does this. Her name is Rashi. I'm going to insert her bio. And she made this for me on order.
It's a
So
sign. It is a sign, like literal flamingos. We've been working on the logo and deleted.
So
This
probably
is
no one else will know. Only the 400 people that have watched that video. Looks like we're working at some very fancy firm. Clearly. Different creative careers versus journalism is, and all journalists have it.
So last weekend I travelled all the way to Andheri to attend Nidhi Kumar Dance's workshop because she's come all the way from Dubai. That the cool down is actually an impromptu session where everybody just gets to perform. Really do get out of your shell and dance to make it your own. Don't choreo or chori the guru. Are forced to come up with your own steps, and that's how every dancing grows. So yeah.
When I reach work, I have this dabba with me with like so much food. It's not even funny. Like for today, for example, I have poha, but then I also have green juice. Cannot do without papaya and coffee.
ये क्या था?
नीचे तू कपड़ा अगर बदलवा गई
अंदर से सीरम निकला, वो मास्क निकला ही नहीं है तुम्हें। अभी तो लाई थी वो वाला है, वो वाला
एक एक जो कदम है हाथ के देख भाई इस पे छाटा
फ्रेंड्स साथे रखड़ा में तो
तेरे को एक चाहिए?
दो दे दो। द ओजी कट
This just came at the right.
टाइमिंग खत्म हो गया पार्टी में सब लोग बाहर निकलेंगे टाइमिंग खत्म हो गया
I have done it already, ma'am.
Okay, but when he places it, we'll have to concise it if need be.
मैं डायरेक्टली आया ना इधर, अगर वो उठ के उसको क्या बता, अरे ये देखा, ये इसने सबको बता दिया।
Typically told me कि ये भी डालना।
One cover, then there's two covers, then there is like 3-4 covers, then there are so many covers, and then forming a grid on the cover, and then comes the 10th anniversary, tada, like that. 12 बजे तक टाइम लेते, 1 बजे तक टाइम लेते, मैं 12 बजे आता हूँ, उसका ओके देंगे, खत्म।
From yoga class today is that, you know, preparation is so important. Preparation to get into the pose that you want, because even in life, even in relationships and things like that, if you don't prepare yourself to get to that stage, you're going to miss out on like the beautiful process. Like for example, there's Uttanasana, and you have this stretch you feel behind the knee. Oh my god, it's such a beautiful feeling once you master the process. And yeah, to get to the final destination is not the ultimate goal, because you're only doing that for others, or you know, just to experience that yourself for a bit. But like honestly, it's not even that. it is rewarding, but it's not rewarding if you don't get it perfectly, right? So perfect the process.
With a joke or to light up your
I'm already buzzed. Like live, that is the Mercy in Santa Cruz, and putting liquid nitrogen.
In Mumbai with a couple of interior, dingy. Actually in India are always dark. And keeping in mind that I wanted a family audience, I definitely want a family. The universe has been so kind and so nice to each one of us in its own way. And I didn't want to do a bit European and a bit Asian. I wanted to be very specific to the European.
You'll have a Makrak link for sure.
I can't see it. How you do this? It's crazy.
Google Ads में वो अपने आप आएगा.
Another day coming back from an event, realizing how and deciding where I want to be in the near future. Got a lot of tea on a lot of things today, and hopefully one day I'll be able to share all of it with you. Not just yet, but one day.
And if you like give a fuck, do and get what the fuck you want to do, I am just not going to listen to you. I mean, like, yeah, okay.
Bro, everything is meant to be.
Oh, I love this.
People who see the brand video will understand, other people won't understand what this is about. And Hana has asked me to delete that video, so probably no one will know about
But
this.
you'll know soon because we are launching it.
Let's go!
I want a plane, I want travel included, and I want a flamingo. Give me a name that has flamingos and something that's related.
Reach out to her.
Like, not even one is, like imperfect or not symmetrical.
My idea one day is
Consider this.
to have a brand where people come without a suitcase. I am giving you the clothes. You just need to get your chaddis in a bag.
Wow.
And you can wear my brand and we can travel together without a suitcase. Literally, for real.
Let's do this.
Because I don't want anyone to have the baggage of a bag.
Oh my god. But
My
all
god.
our clothes will be lightweight, so you won't have to worry about
but
that.
like, I'll take that.
Yeah, we will.
And my god, that could be like
100 more different fabrics, because literally we'll find like millions of different fabrics, so we can do trial and error with all of them, and it'll be fun.
basically free clothes for us.
I'm so excited.
Oof.
I love
Hopefully, inshallah, this works.
this. The glitter's looking great in the sun.
In the sun.
Yes, it is.